Hello YouTube and welcome to my pipe wrench project, and if you watch the other videos, welcome back to the series on this. This took some work. One of the hardest parts was making this pin. I made this pin out of it actually was part of your drill chuck key. I had it in my cordless drill using a sanding disc on a Dremel tool, like a tool post grinder. So I had to take probably like 10 thousandths off it, but I made it so it's snug on the sides. Okay, it's tapped in over the roll pin punch, but in the ridge the hole's bigger so it swivels. So that's gonna have to do. I am not gonna try to hammer a hot rivet over. We did, like I said, we took these out. We stuck these rivets in my cordless drill and filed and sanded them because we had to hold them with the vice grips. And we soaked them for probably 2 days in nut blaster, whatever that spray is, whatever that rust removal spray is. And I did add some acetone to it. Do that stuff at your own risk, because I had it sitting outside. You don't know what chemical reaction you're going to get on something catch on fire. So it was an experiment. I've never tried the acetone transmission fluid. This is pretty nasty. I didn't want to show you the worst part of it. I tried redoing it. It's just too far gone to get a cutter blade down on there. But we did not polish this. Might as well show you that, because we planned on painting the whole thing. Well, we got thinking we did it this way. So there you go. We got black in here, black along on the top, black on there. We did do the thing where you put the paint thinner on a folded up little rag and wipe the paint off. And this is spray paint. I just sprayed it in the lid, flat black, and used a model car brush, little model brush. And the same with this. This is probably like 4 or 5 layers. I mean, I'd let it dry for an hour. I'd go in the house. I'd come back out and had it nice and warm in the shop. And this morning it was kind of gooey, so I laid it on the wood stove when I started it. The side it was gooey and it got really hot. It was hot enough to burn your fingers right here, where it was touched to the stove. Then I let it set for a couple hours. There you go. DUREX pipe wrench. Made in West Germany. So we'll take some nice photos of it. And we are done with this project. We do not know what we're going to do today. It is 35, 40 mile an hour wind gust outside. My yard is full of leaves again, but it's still going to be 70 degrees. So maybe tomorrow, because today is a Saturday, I might be able to mow again. Because Sunday night, Monday is supposed to start getting a snowstorm all week. Funny weather, huh? But there you go. Thanks for watching. Look for the pictures. I try to take the best angles I can so you can, get a good look at what it looks like.